Discover the KaBoat. Your ultimate water adventure awaits. Get ready to transform your outdoor experiences with the KaBoat, a revolutionary blend of an inflatable kayak and an inflatable boat. Designed for adventure seekers, this innovative craft lets you paddle through tranquil lakes, roaring rivers, or open oceans with ease. Whether you prefer the thrill of paddling or the convenience of an electric or gas engine, the KaBoat adapts to your every need. Conventional plastic or fiberglass kayaks take up significant storage space, but the KaBoat can be deflated and folded for easy storage and transportation. While traditional kayaks can only be paddled, the KaBoat allows you to cover larger distances effortlessly using a small gas or electric engine, so you can switch to power whenever you're ready to relax. With enhanced stability, the KaBoat allows you to stand and walk inside it, making fishing or leisurely rides a breeze. It's versatile enough for diving, snorkeling, and fishing. Capabilities that few kayaks can match. Thanks to its high buoyancy, you can transport larger cargo than regular kayaks, and its design enables you to navigate narrow or shallow waters where other boats can't reach. Just lift the engine and paddle through as little as 5 inches of water. The KaBoat inflates faster than standard inflatable boats due to its smaller chambers, getting you on the water in no time. With a narrow profile and lower drag, it can achieve impressive speeds with the same rated engine as wider inflatable boats. Plus, it makes a perfect dinghy for yachts or sailboats, taking up much less space when deflated. Affordable and adaptable, the KaBoat is your ticket to unforgettable adventures on the water. Embrace the freedom of exploration and make every journey a memorable experience.